Action.
Hola, buenísimos amigos y amigas. Hello, girls and boys. Hi, my name is Christinina, and you're watching my channel.
Action.
Today we're gonna open a surprise from my Nino. But first they have to look for it.
Okay.
Please wait for a while. Look! And then you join me when I open my gift. Taco! Okay. What's it gonna be? I think it's color pink. And it's something. It's
Loud.
It's a big fluffy toy Pinkie Pie! It's a big fluffy toy Pinkie Pie! It's very fluffy! It's a Little Pony stuffed toy. Pinkie Pie! Because he likes fun!
Come on.
Thank you, Ninang Alden, for my Pinkie Pie stuffed toy.
Do you love it?
I so love it.
Uh-huh. Do you like it?
Yes. I like it a lot. Stop. Pink is my favorite color ever. I love you, Pinkie Pie. Bye. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my